From the icy Arctic to the tropical Pacific, our planet teems with life beneath the waves. Join me as we explore these majestic bodies of water. Our first destination is the Pacific, the largest and deepest of Earth's oceans. Covering more than 63 million square miles, it spans from the Arctic in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south, and from Asia and Australia on the west to the Americas on the east. Its vastness is almost incomprehensible, holding more than half of the world's free water. Here we encounter the Philippine Sea, a marginal sea east of the Philippines and part of the western Pacific Ocean. It is bounded by the Philippine archipelago to the west, Taiwan to the northwest, and Japan to the north. This region is a realm of intense tectonic activity, where the Philippine Sea Plate meets the Eurasian Plate, creating a dynamic and ever-changing underwater landscape. The ocean floor here plunges into deep trenches such as the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the world's oceans, reaching depths of over 36,000 feet. These geological processes give rise to volcanic islands and a dazzling array of marine life. The biodiversity here is astounding, with species ranging from tiny plankton to massive whales. Venturing south, we arrive at the Coral Sea, a marginal sea off the northeast coast of Australia. It is renowned for its clear blue waters and vibrant coral ecosystems. Home to the Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system, it stretches over 1,400 miles and is composed of over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands. This vibrant metropolis is a haven for countless species of fish, turtles, sharks, and invertebrates. The reef's complex structure provides shelter and food for a diverse range of marine life, making it one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet. The South China Sea, nestled between China, Vietnam, and the Philippines, presents a different picture. It is a hub of geopolitical tensions and bustling maritime traffic, with numerous territorial disputes and significant shipping routes. Moving north, we reach the Bering Sea, a cold, often unforgiving expanse of water between Alaska and Russia. Despite its harsh conditions, it is teeming with life, including some of the world's largest populations of marine mammals and seabirds. The Bering Sea's nutrient-rich waters support a complex and productive ecosystem, with species such as walruses, seals, and whales relying on its bounty. Between Australia and New Zealand lies the Tasman Sea, a dynamic body of water home to migrating whales, playful dolphins, and colonies of seals. This sea is a vital corridor for marine life, connecting the Pacific and Southern Oceans. Our journey across the Pacific takes us next to the Sea of Japan, also known as the East Sea. This sea is bordered by Japan, Korea, and Russia, and is a significant fishing ground and a site of rich cultural history. The Sea of Japan, or East Sea, is known for its unique marine environment, with warm and cold currents mixing to create a diverse habitat for marine species. The coastal views of Japan and Korea along this sea are breathtaking, with rugged cliffs and serene beaches. The Russian coastline adds to the diverse geography of this region, making it a fascinating area to explore. The Yellow Sea, named for the fine yellow sediment carried by rivers from the Chinese mainland, lies between China and the Korean peninsula. This sediment gives the sea its distinctive color and supports a rich ecosystem. The Yellow Sea is a vital fishing ground and an important area for migratory birds, with its coastal wetlands providing crucial habitats. Finally, we reach the Sulu Sea, a relatively small but exceptionally biodiverse sea, nestled between the Philippines and Malaysia. Its clear waters are home to a stunning variety of marine species, making it a paradise for divers and marine biologists alike. The Sulu Sea's rich biodiversity and pristine waters make it a fitting conclusion to our journey through the Pacific's realms of giants and wonders. Our voyage continues as we cross the Panama Canal, a marvel of modern engineering that connects the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. This man-made waterway, completed in 1914, revolutionized maritime trade by providing a shortcut that saves ships from the long and treacherous journey around the southern tip of South America. As we exit the canal, we enter the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. This immense body of water, covering approximately 41 million square miles, is the second largest ocean on Earth and has been a crucial route for explorers, traders, and travelers for centuries. The Caribbean Sea beckons with its tropical paradise, home to a dazzling array of marine life. Its crystal-clear waters and vibrant coral reefs attract divers and snorkelers from around the world, eager to explore its underwater wonders. As we sail eastward, we reach the Mediterranean Sea, a cradle of civilization and a sea steeped in history. This region has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, from the ancient Egyptians and Greeks to the Romans and Ottomans. The Mediterranean's shores are dotted with ancient ruins, each telling a story of a bygone era. Today, the Mediterranean remains a vital waterway, connecting Europe, Africa and Asia. Its busy shipping lanes are a testament to its continued importance in global trade and commerce. Turning west, we encounter the Gulf of Mexico, a semi-enclosed sea bordered by the United States and Mexico. This region is not only rich in marine biodiversity, but also plays a significant role in the energy sector, with numerous oil rigs dotting its waters. Moving north, we encountered the cold, often turbulent waters of the North Sea, located between the United Kingdom and mainland Europe. This sea is known for its challenging weather conditions and is home to some of the world's largest offshore wind farms, harnessing the power of the wind to generate renewable energy. Further east, the Baltic Sea, a semi-enclosed sea surrounded by Scandinavia and Eastern Europe, presents a different picture. Its calm waters and picturesque coastal towns make it a popular destination for tourists seeking tranquility and natural beauty. Off the coast of Canada and Greenland lies the Labrador Sea, a cold, deep body of water known for its powerful currents and towering icebergs. This remote and rugged sea is a stark contrast to the warmer, more temperate waters we've encountered so far. Continuing north, we reach the Norwegian Sea, a cold, deep sea located near Norway and Iceland. This sea is characterized by its deep blue waters and rocky coastlines, offering a dramatic and breathtaking landscape. Finally, we encounter the Sargasso Sea, defined by a system of rotating currents in the North Atlantic, creating a unique habitat for a variety of marine life. This sea is named after the sargassum seaweed that floats on its surface, providing shelter and food for countless marine species. The Sargasso Sea's mysterious and tranquil waters are a fitting end to our journey through a sea of history and contrasts. Chapter 3. The Indian Ocean, a tapestry of life in warm waters. Our journey now brings us to the Indian Ocean, the warmest of Earth's oceans. Here, the Arabian Sea, nestled between the Arabian Peninsula and India, greets us with its warm, azure waters. Venturing east, we encounter the Bay of Bengal, the largest bay in the world. Nestled in the eastern reaches of the Indian Ocean, the Andaman Sea, near Thailand and Myanmar, beckons with its pristine beauty. Further south, we encounter the Lakshadweep Sea, a warm tropical sea that laps the shores of the Maldives. Our journey through the Indian Ocean culminates in the Red Sea, a narrow, elongated sea wedged between Africa and the Middle East. Chapter 4. The Southern Ocean, a realm of ice and resilience. Our exploration takes us south to the Southern Ocean, a realm of ice and unforgiving beauty. Here, the Weddell Sea, named after the British sealer James Weddell, greets us with its icy embrace. Further east, we encounter the Ross Sea, considered one of the last unspoiled marine ecosystems on Earth. The Amundsen Sea, named after the Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen, lies to the west of the Antarctic Peninsula. Finally, we reach the Scotia Sea, a deep, cold sea located near the South Sandwich Islands. Chapter 5. The Arctic Ocean, life on the frozen frontier. Our final destination takes us to the Arctic Ocean, the smallest and shallowest of Earth's oceans. Here, the Barents Sea, named after the Dutch explorer Willem Barents, lies between Russia and Norway. To the west, the Beaufort Sea, named after the British hydrographer Sir Francis Beaufort, lies north of Canada. Moving east, we reach the Chukchi Sea, a shallow sea between Alaska and Russia. Finally, we reach the Greenland Sea, a body of water located between Greenland and Svalbard. Chapter 6. A World of Wonders, a Call to Action. As we conclude our journey across the world's seas, let us remember that these vast bodies of water are more than just geographical features. They are the lifeblood of our planet, covering over 70% of the Earth's surface and playing a crucial role in regulating our climate. The seas are a source of inspiration, wonder, and sustenance for countless species, including humans. They are teeming ecosystems, vital to the health of our planet and home to a breathtaking array of life. From the smallest plankton to the largest whales, the diversity of marine life is staggering. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, are particularly rich in biodiversity, providing habitat and shelter for many marine organisms. Unique facts about seas. Some seas are completely enclosed, like the Caspian Sea and the Black Sea. These inland seas have their own unique ecosystems and challenges. The Caspian Sea, for instance, is the largest enclosed inland body of water on Earth, and it is home to a variety of species found nowhere else. The largest sea is the Philippine Sea, covering around 5 million square kilometers. This vast expanse of water is a critical habitat for many marine species and plays a significant role in the oceanic circulation patterns that affect global climate. The saltiest sea is the Red Sea due to high evaporation. Its unique conditions have led to the evolution of a diverse array of marine life that has adapted to its high salinity levels. The Sargasso Sea has no land boundaries, it's defined by ocean currents. This unique sea is known for its floating seaweed, the sargassum, which provides a habitat for a variety of marine species including fish, turtles and birds. Thank you for watching. Let us all do our part to protect these precious resources for generations to come. Our actions today will determine the health and vitality of our oceans tomorrow. By reducing our impact on the environment, supporting sustainable fishing practices, and advocating for the protection of marine habitats, we can help ensure that the world's seas continue to teem with life for generations to come. Sustainable fishing practices help maintain fish populations at healthy levels, while marine habitat restoration efforts can revive damaged ecosystems. The future of our oceans, and indeed our planet, depends on the choices we make today. Educating the next generation about the importance of ocean conservation is crucial. By fostering a sense of responsibility and stewardship in young people, we can inspire a new wave of ocean advocates who will continue the work of protecting our seas.